Hi everybody, my name is Andy with Etrailer.com, and today we're taking a look at the SteelHead LED spot beam work light. If you're looking for a heavy duty work light that is going to offer you a focused beam of illumination so you can see things at a distance in low light situations, this might be a really good light for you to consider. Let's take a closer look at it together. Now this light is going to light up your industrial and agricultural and recreational situations. It's going to be great to mount on your work truck or utility vehicle or even on your fishing boat. Now let me give you a brief demonstration of just how bright this light is. So I have it connected to 12 volt power, and as you can see these 6 diodes offer you a very bright light. And let me go ahead and turn my studio lights off here so you can see just how bright this light is on my table. And then going out for a wide view, I'm going to shine this on the wall behind me, and you can see that spot beam that this light offers, and a really nice bright white light. This light has 6 diodes, and this is going to provide a light output of 1900 lumens, and the spot beam is going to offer you that focused illumination that's going to allow you to see things at a distance in the dark. Now these premium LEDs, and by the way, as you can see, I still have my studio lights on here. You can still see how bright this light is. Let me go ahead and turn this power off and take another closer look at this. So this spot beam has premium LEDs, and those LEDs are energy efficient. They're going to be long lasting and vibration resistant as well. This is rated up to 50,000 hours of operation, and it features a sealed waterproof housing and this clear lens over the white LEDs. This does have an IP rating of 68, and that is going to make this able to withstand dust and dirt and sand, but it is also resistant to submersion up to a maximum depth of 1.5 meters underwater for up to 30 minutes. Now the circuit board within is of a military grade construction, so that's going to add to the ruggedness and durability of this light. And the urethane potting is going to offer you a better protection than common epoxy potting in controlling the heat transfer inside the light. Speaking of heat, this does have, as you can see here, thermal regulation, so this light will not overheat. And it has a really nice durable black powder coating over an aluminum housing, so that's going to make this lightweight but also very durable and resistant to rust and corrosion. Now this light is compatible with 12 volt and 24 volt DC systems, and it does come with included hardware for installation, and this is going to give you a pedestal installation. So it has this bracket with the bolt that will attach the bracket to the light, and then also this single bolt that you can use to install to your work truck, utility vehicle, your boat. And then once you have this installed, you will have the ability to adjust the angle of the light as you need. And the installation hardware is stainless steel. Now again, this will hardwire to your application. It's 2-wire, and the black wire is going to be your ground, and for this light the white wire is going to be your power. Now, let me give you some overall measurements. The overall, and I'm measuring from the outermost part of the frame of the light. The overall length of this light is sitting right at 6 inches, a little over 6 inches, about 6 1/8 inches long. And then including the base of this bracket, the overall height is going to be right at 3 inches, including the base of that bracket. And if you're not including that and you're just interested in the height of the light itself, we're going to be sitting right at 2 inches. And then in regards to how deep this light is, we are sitting right at 2 inches deep. 2 inches deep. And this wire, included wire, is going to be sitting right at 10 inches long. Now the input voltage of this light is going to be 9 to 30 volts, and the power draw at 12 volts is 1.2 amps, and at 24 volts it is 0.6 amps. Now this light does have a limited lifetime warranty, and if you do not prefer the black powder coating, we do have this exact same light in white. You can find that on our website, item number TN66RR, and we do have quite a few other different work lights of different shapes and sizes that will offer either a wide beam floodlight or a spot beam light such as this one. So please check those out as well if you're looking for something other than this. Well, that's going to conclude our look today at the SteelHead LED spot beam work light. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.